Give them prayer hands, say what's up America. Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
This is what you made? Pine cone Christmas trees?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Over down.
You painted the table, but that's okay. Because it's worth it, hey?
Down.
Yeah.
Sit.
Do you think that's safe?
Yeah.
You do? I think you're wrong. What are you doing? I see you. Get down from there. Finish him. There you go, buddy. Love you. Have a really good day. You will? You'll be a good boy. Kiss. Kiss. More kisses. Kiss forever. Someone came into the yard last night and tried to rip off the license plate. We're not having good luck with plates, are we?
Regular unleaded?
Yes. Look man, now hands. Jesus, how many kids do you have?
Not anymore.
Just some creepy pattern unit. Not anymore.
Where are they?
Lost them. So Cailan just came in here, stole chips off the plasteries. It's almost 3 o'clock. We're about to finish mulching this place and the heat is really getting to us. He's about to die.
I'm literally about to die.
He's literally about to die.
I can feel it.
So we're probably going to knock off and hope to God that we don't have any other jobs. Because today is terrible. It's 4 o'clock and we just finished off this job, so we're taking off. We got another job Central Lakes, which is, what is it, just a small mowing job?
Yeah, thank God.
Yep. The heat is still pretty bad. It's like 34 degrees with, what did you say?
68% humidity.
68% humidity. I don't know what that means, but I know how it feels and it really, really sucks. Like, we are legitimately on the verge of heat stroke. And we're going to another job. When I went horse riding with Robin, we walked through like a huge lake. It's only like knee deep or so. It's pretty awesome. The lake had stingrays and shit in it. It's a salt water. That doesn't sound like a lake I want to be in. 5:30 and we're finally done for the day. I'm wrecked. I got heat stroke. I'm gonna go shower, eat, die. You're a Ninja Turtle. Did Mummy paint your face? You look fantastic. You look awesome. Are they beautiful? Mummy cook yummy food? She does, eh? Did you have a good day? What did you do today? Were you playing? Did you play with Cailan? Did you have a nap? Yeah, I thought so. You're way too happy. Robin? Dobbin?
Smiles.
The grilled cheese maker?
Yeah. If you practice, you'll be able to do it.
Show me how you do it.
Doing that last time.
Did ya?
Yeah.
You're gonna break your arms off. Nah. Oh, Piper. You flipped your Jeep. Told you slow down.
Not even a scratch. Well, no, say the same for the cup.
Did you drink a bottle before you started driving?
Milk drunk.